Morning everyone, Rob Howard here. Just a quick video on pre-CBT tips. Looking after your safety helmet. And I just thought I'd spend a minute with a video, as a lot of trainees come in during the CBT and even beyond CBT and just don't look after the safety helmets. So what I've got is a demonstration helmet, which it's one I don't use. So it will fit the purpose for this particular video. And you go and buy a helmet, it costs you hundreds of pounds, or you're buying a helmet at the training school you're doing the training with. And see it every time where you're having a break and the helmet goes on the seat, the helmet goes on the mirror, like this, and it just isn't safe, because the slightest bit of wind, even more so if the bike is on the side stand, it's just going to fall off. Now, if the helmet falls off, what's going to happen? It's going to be like a football. It's going to roll around, but you just don't know what damage you've done to the helmet. So, top tips of the day. Helmet. Best thing that you can do with your gloves is pop them on the floor, and then with your helmet, just place it on the gloves. And it's not going to go anywhere, and it's not going to get dirty or wet around the base of it. So, top tip of the day, how to look after your helmet. Hope that helps. And if anybody else has got any suggestions how they look after their helmet, then comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.